When looking at your rotor, you may notice machine notches on the side of the rotors. They are there to balance the rotor. This characteristic serves an important purpose in the brake system. In much the same way that tires need to be balanced, the life of the rotor and brake system can be shortened by the force generated of an unbalanced rotor. When a rotor is imbalanced, it spins erratically, putting excessive stress on your braking system. This will increase the maintenance required for the vehicle and can even lead to a noisy and bumpy ride. Rather than adding weight, mill balancing machines a small amount of weight from the outer edge of the rotor to achieve perfect balance. This is a modern solution to reduce vibration, noise, and damage. It is key to have a pleasant, enjoyable, and safe ride.
Not all PowerStop rotors require mill balancing and will not have the notch, but where necessary, PowerStop utilizes mill balancing to ensure 100% perfect balance for every rotor, ensuring reliable performance throughout the life of the rotor. PowerStop has top manufacturing and quality control standards, which guarantee you'll be receiving a perfectly balanced rotor.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.